welcome back. I have it's the All-American lawnmower blade clone. This cost, right there, what I paid for it. And the All-American is, it's a shame. I'm gonna interject here 1 minute. Basically, what I did was I got on eBay, typed in 5005 lawnmower sharpener, and that's what popped up. I just forgot to throw that in there when I was editing it. Anyway, carry on. And it gets ripped off and sold for a sixth of our cost. Anyway, I bring you in and show you what's going on. Mounting bracket. Hardware. And the jig itself. And no instructions, so going off the picture. Well, that's basically the gist of it, but let's see where I've been sharpening it. Bring it in a little more. Like it there, lock it down. Right there. There's some different mower companies. They want different degrees. Kubota recommends 35 to 40. I'm at 35 right now. But, well, let's see where I've been sharpening it. See how easy this is. I figured I'd put it on that board rather than permanently mount it somewhere. That was to put something flatter on there because they're concaved. That's it. Nope, still ain't right. More angle. Right in the way. Yep. A little more than 45 degrees. So I'm going to sharpen these back to 35. Flip the wheel, then we'll do the same. Safety squints. Not today. Okay. This blade, this here's been hand sharpened. Okay, we're set back on 35. Do I have anything flammable around here? Tons. Oh well. So that passes. I'm not even close to the edge. Well, I'm pretty close. Really making a mess here. But yeah, she puts a nice profile on there. Now I don't have my balancer here, so next time you see me, I'll be having a different shirt on. Because I ain't gonna go get it right now. One thing I don't like is that little play in it. Ooh, a little steamy. But anyway, we'll see how they cut. Checking the blades that I sharpened in my previous video, they're pretty degreed. Like a small block Chevrolet. tons of time in it, tons of degrees. See, this is where this is the 35. So even more would be, it's probably around 50 degrees. I just want to throw this in there while I'm working on another set of blades. This bolt, you tighten the blade up to these screws, broke. By tightening that up, it brings this closer. You know what I mean? Because this is tighten up, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen, loosen, tighten. Whatever. As I'm welding nuts and breaking things, I got this one out. This was, I don't know, thread locked in. Then I had to get this, which I just threw in my scrap barrel, so I ain't digging for it. It just has a little tit on it, and this Allen screw here that I took out holds it there, which is right here. So I'm going to be getting a new bolt and making this thing right, I guess. Well, went to town, got a piece of all thread, because no one carries a bolt that freaking long. Otherwise, I'm going to drill all the way through here and then put the cotter pin through the back. That way, it's still free spool. Free spool. I got her set up right now. Got that jam nut, basically. Well, it's not jam. Set screw put back in. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I got this glued and motor sealed, so it's setting up. I can still, you know. But yeah, we'll see how that holds up.